In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Salesforce Mfa. If you're looking to turn off multi-factor authentication in Salesforce, you've come to the right place. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is an additional layer of security that requires not only your password and username, but also something that only you, the user, has access to. While it's a tool recommended for enhancing security, there might be certain situations where you need to disable it, and I'll guide you through that process step by step. To begin, you'll need to visit the Salesforce website. Go ahead and open your preferred browser and navigate to Salesforce's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see the login option there, and you should hover over it. Next, you'll select Salesforce from the drop-down options. If you have multiple accounts or access points that show up, make sure to pick the one that's relevant to your needs. Now it's time to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your login credentials and your username and password, and make sure you're logging into the correct account for which you want to disable MFA. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Quick Settings menu, which you can find at the top right. This menu provides swift access to a variety of key settings. There you will see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Clicking this will navigate you directly into the more in-depth configuration areas. Once you are in the Advanced Setup section, look for the Quick Find box. It's a very handy tool for finding specific settings without having to scroll endlessly. You'll type Identity Verification into this Quick Find box. This will filter your options to help you quickly locate the setting you need. After entering Identity Verification, click on the Identity Verification link that appears. This page contains settings related to how users verify their identity when accessing Salesforce, including MFA settings. On this page, you'll see an option labeled Require Multi-Factor Authentication for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. Here's where you'll make the key change. Simply uncheck this box to disable MFA for direct UI logins. Finally, to make sure all these changes are implemented, don't forget to click on Save. This button usually resides somewhere at the bottom or top of the settings page you are currently on. Clicking Save ensures your changes are not lost and permanently updates your Salesforce settings. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily disable Salesforce's multi-factor authentication. Remember, while this reduces the additional security layer, make sure to evaluate your organization's security needs before making this change. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.